Chapter 1, Lesson 6, The Windows Desktop. In this lesson, we will learn how you can have beautiful picture backgrounds on your desktop, placing system icons on your desktop, using Windows color schemes for better look, playing with Windows sounds, having a screensaver while you are not working, overview of Windows arrow feature in Windows theme, and changing the mouse pointers. Hello friends, and welcome again to our Windows 7 Essentials to Advanced video training series. As I had described in my first lesson, the Windows 7 environment, that there are many editions of Windows 7 are available in the market. Each version has limited with the feature set, and our video training series is based on the higher version, which is Windows 7 Ultimate. So, today, we are going to learn about Windows 7 desktop preferences, and some features works differently in other versions of Windows. Before we get started, let's check out which version of Windows you are having on your computer. As I had described in my last video, how you can enable the Run command in Start menu. So, to check the version of Windows 7, first let's see how you can enable the Run command. Right-click on Start menu and choose Properties. From the Start menu tab, click on Customize button. Scroll down the list and make a check on Run command if it is not already checked. To check the version of Windows 7, click on the Start menu and then click on Run. Type WinVer and click on OK button. A dialog box will appear, giving you complete information about the Windows version you are currently running on your PC. I asked you to check the version of Windows 7 because the information that I am going to provide you in this video can differ in other editions of Windows. However, I will give you an example how you can configure the same desktop preferences in other editions of Windows. So, let's get started with our first desktop customization feature. Desktop is the largest area on your screen that appears after your Windows boot up, so we will make it look good to feel good. Having a clean desktop with beautiful wallpaper and color scheme can really impact on your work and the others as well who are watching your computer screen. The first thing that we will change is setting up nice wallpaper on the desktop. Wallpaper is the larger picture that you see on your desktop after your Windows gets started. In Windows 7, if you right-click on an empty area of your desktop, you have Personalize option in the context menu. Whereas, in other editions of Windows, like Windows 7 Starter and Windows 7 Home Basic, the Personalize option is no longer available. That is why I asked you to first check the version of your Windows. To access the Personalize options in Windows 7 Home Basic Edition, you need to go to Control Panel. To access the Control Panel, click on the Start menu, and then click Control Panel. By default, the Control Panel is set to View in Category Mode. For easy access, we'll recommend you to view to the Control Panel in Large Icons. After clicking the large icons, all the options of the Control Panel will get arranged in separate icons. Now, if you click on the display icon, you will have access to the Personalize option, as in Windows 7 Ultimate. However, it looks a bit different than the actual Personalize menu in Windows 7 Ultimate, but you have almost all the functions available. In the left side pane of display window, you can find the link Change Desktop Background, whereas in Windows 7 Ultimate, if you click on the Personalize option, you will be presented with a window having a lot of desktop customization features on it. To change the desktop wallpaper, we will click on the Desktop Background button, located on the bottom area of the Windows. You can also see that there is a bit difference in Windows 7 Home Basic and Ultimate desktop background options. In Windows 7 Ultimate, you have choice to select multiple wallpapers at once, and even you can set the time to shuffle between the wallpapers at specific time. So, if you choose multiple wallpapers and set a specific time, then Windows will automatically change the wallpaper at the given time. For instance, I am choosing 3 wallpapers to display one after another with an interval of 10 seconds. So, after every 10 seconds, Windows will automatically start changing the wallpapers automatically. This is a nice and cool feature for those users who change their desktop wallpapers frequently. You can also set any picture as a wallpaper that you have saved somewhere in your computer. For instance, I have a picture in Pictures folder that I want to set as a wallpaper. To do this, I will click on the Browse folder and will choose the folder where picture has been saved. Windows will then start showing you all the pictures inside that folder. You can select all of them if you want to see them one by setting the time, or you can clear checkmark from all by click the Clear All button. Then choose a single picture you wish to have as a desktop background. In Windows 7 Home Basic, you do not have many choices, like you cannot select multiple pictures and you do not even have a time period choice to let the window change the pictures automatically. There is another option available that you can change to have your background look better. This is called the picture position. So what this picture position is used for? If the picture that you are going to have as a desktop wallpaper is smaller than the size of your screen, you can also call it as picture resolution and the screen resolution. So if your picture resolution is smaller than your screen resolution, then you can set the position of your picture that where and how you want your picture to be appear. You have 5 choices to set the positions, like fill, fit, stretch, tile and center. For instance, I choose my picture as a background and set the position to center. So Windows will set the picture with its actual resolution in the center of the screen. If I choose tile, then Windows will fill the screen by repeating the picture again and again in same size. If you choose stretch, then Windows will increase the width and height of the picture to fill the entire screen. If your wallpaper is much smaller than your screen resolution, then it may appear distorted. Fill and fit are similar to the stretch command, but they try to keep aspect ratio of your picture while stretching it. It will look less distorted if you have a picture which a bit smaller in resolution than your screen resolution. You can then choose fill or fit option to have your picture filled in entire screen nicely.
Next lesson will cover working with Windows color schemes, advanced appearance settings, and more understanding to Windows themes.